This is the first of 4 reviews that we're going to be doing to try to prepare you for the midterm that's going to be on Thursday and Friday. So half the problems, we already did them in class. The other half of the problems we haven't done. So I'm going to try to do all of them right here in front of you. Remember that this is a video, so you can pause it, you can rewind it, you can watch it again. So first one, we have 948 miles driven, a car that gets 10 miles per gallon, and the gas is costing $4.06 per gallon. So the way that one works, you get the 948 miles and you divide by 10 miles per gallon, and that's going to be 94.8. That's how many gallons, I'm going to label it, that you need to go that far. Then you get this number and you multiply it by how much each gallon costs. So 94.8 gallons multiplied by $4.06 per gallon. And then you put it in your calculator, and I'll do it right here. So 94.8 times $4.06 per gallon. I'm always going to double check my calculator, make sure that I'm typing what I think I'm typing. So this is going to round, remember we're talking about dollars, so it wouldn't be 88 because that 8 is too big, so it's going to be $384.89. So we're going to do that same process on the second one. Or hopefully you already did the same process on the second one. So it'd be 913 miles divided by 23 miles per gallon. And that's 39.7 gallons, because we're going to round that to the 10th. So 39.7 gallons. Then you get that many gallons, 39.7. And you multiply it by how much gas costs. So maybe it's premium instead of regular. So $4.36. 39.7 times $4.36. We're talking money again, so that would be, that 2 is not big enough this time to change it. So it's going to be 0.09. So $173.09. Next one. This says convert the following monthly amounts to weekly payments. Be real careful about this. I had to change the slides from Friday to fix this because we found the weekly, but we only found it for all of them instead of just the 1 bedroom. Okay, so let's make our numbers smaller first. Let's go ahead and get this monthly payment, because remember this is monthly. I'm gonna put it up here so I don't forget. Let's get this monthly payment and let's split it with the 6 people total in the room, in the apartment, or in the house, probably a house. So you get $540 divided by 6 people that are sharing that bill. That ends up being $90. And this is still monthly. So this is per person, but this is monthly. So per person. And I'm going to put over here month, so I know what I'm looking at. Okay, so this is per person monthly. We still need to get it to be weekly. But we don't want to just divide by 4 because some months have more than 28 days. Most months have more than 28 days. So first we're going to find out how much is this single person going to pay for the whole year. So you're going to go 90, which is how much it is for the month. Multiply it by 12 because there's 12 months in a year. 90 times 12. And that's $1,080. There's a 1 right here. Sorry, that got crowded. So $1,080. this is how much the person would pay. So this is one person, and this is for the whole year. And then we're going to divide by 52 weeks. So you're just going to get this number. Did it again. And divide by 52 weeks. So 1,080 divided by 52 weeks. That means that every week that person is responsible for $20.77. So this last piece is how you get one person weekly. Second one, we're going to do the same thing. So let's go ahead and get this number small first. So let's divide by the 4 people that are sharing that cost. So this one is going to be 589 divided by 4 people. So this is 589 divided by 4 people, $147.25. And remember, that's per person, so that's one person, but that's still for the whole month. And then we're going to get this, and we want to find out how much are they going to pay for the whole year. So you're going to go 147.25 multiplied by 12 months. That's $1,767. That's one person for the whole year. So I'm going to put 1x for one person. And then we want to find out how much is it for the week, because that's our final answer. So we're going to get that yearly cost, 1,767, and divide it by 52 weeks in a year. And that's $33.98. That means that person is responsible to save that much money every single week so they can pay their part of their apartment or house. Next one, it says convert the monthly amount to weekly payments. So that's what you already did up here, this piece. About once you know how much it is per month, first make it a year and then make it weeks. So this part was the weekly. So you're just going to get this $903, multiply it by 12. That's 10,836. And that's yearly. You always want to first get it up to yearly before you divide by 52 to find out weekly. So this number, 10,836 divided by 52 weeks. That's already in my calculator. I just go divide by 52. That's $208.38. Next one, the monthly rent of $510. So first thing, multiply by 12. $6,120. Remember, that's still yearly. And then get that 6,120, and you're going to divide by 52 weeks in a year. That's $117.69. The 2's not big enough to change it. And that's it. Next one, the vehicle cost table. You go find my vehicle cost table. Come over here to this thing. So it says an auto loan for $7,978, and we want a monthly payment. So this is important right here because there's 2 columns on this, monthly and weekly. So if it says 7,978, 7,978, we're gonna have to go to 8,000 because otherwise we won't have enough money. So we're right here on this column, and then we want monthly. So this column is monthly, $150.97. That's all you do. On the next one, it says $3,005, and this time it's weekly. So $3,005. 3,000. We can't borrow 3,000 because we'd be short by $5. So we're gonna come up to the next one. We're gonna go, we want weekly. So between these two numbers, this one's monthly on the left, this one's weekly on the right. So $14.15. Next one says use the vehicle cost table. So that one, that's this table, maintenance cost table. So it says use a vehicle cost table to look up weekly maintenance costs. So a year-old vehicle at 17,241 miles. You're gonna go 1 year-old vehicle, that's right here. 17,000 something is less than 30,000, so there's no cost for that. So we're not expecting to have to pay any maintenance or save up for any extra maintenance because it's a pretty new car and the mileage isn't that high. On the next one, it says 17-year-old vehicle. So we come over here, a 17-year-old vehicle. We're gonna go ahead and go to the next one down. So we're gonna go to a 20-year-old vehicle. And then this is 53,386 miles. 53,000. We have to go over to this column. So we said a 17-year-old vehicle, so we're gonna go right here. We're gonna be safe. I'm gonna say we're gonna save $35. So that way, if something goes wrong, we have some money with us to take care of that. So that's how much we would want to save every week so that we have some money saved up for some kind of maintenance like repairing the belts, things like that.